Greetings, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to dive deep into a nutritional journey that promises to rejuvenate your vitality and transform the way you think about food. Ever wondered how certain diets hold the power to unlock not only better health but also a vibrant zest for life? Well, that's exactly what we're about to uncover as we explore the incredible benefits of the pescetarian diet. Imagine this: what if you could improve your heart health, nourish your brain, and embrace a lifestyle that's not just good for you, but for the planet too? If you're intrigued by the idea of feeling more alive, more energetic, and more connected to the world around you, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're going to dive into the remarkable benefits of the pescetarian diet. We'll unravel the secrets behind its heart-boosting omega-3s, explore the synergy between nutrient-rich seafood and plant-based goodness, and even uncover how this diet might hold the key to supporting your brain health. But that's not all. We'll also touch on weight management, reduced chronic disease risks, and the environmental sustainability that comes with this seafood-focused approach. So, are you ready to take the plunge into a world of wellness and vitality? Let's begin this exciting journey as we unlock the remarkable benefits of the pescetarian diet. But before we dive right in, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content dedicated to your well-being. Now, let's get started. Shall we? Are you curious about a diet that offers a harmonious blend of marine treasures and plant-based goodness? Look no further than the pescetarian diet, a nutritional approach that's gaining attention for its remarkable benefits. At its core, the pescetarian diet revolves around consuming seafood while also embracing an array of nutrient-rich plant-based foods. Let's take a closer look at this balanced dietary approach and how it can unlock a new level of vitality. The pescetarian diet, characterized by its emphasis on fish and seafood, stands out as a flexible and health-conscious eating style. Unlike strict vegetarian or vegan diets, pescatarianism allows for the inclusion of seafood, which provides an abundant source of essential nutrients. This diet is all about achieving a balance between animal-based proteins and the nutritional powerhouse that plant foods offer. By incorporating seafood and plant-based options, pescetarians can enjoy a diverse and well-rounded array of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. The beauty of the pescetarian diet lies in its ability to provide a rich spectrum of health benefits while accommodating various dietary preferences. By making seafood a cornerstone of the diet, individuals can tap into the valuable omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in fish. These healthy fats are renowned for their potential to promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and even support brain function. Pairing seafood with nutrient-dense plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes creates a synergy that nourishes the body on multiple levels. Throughout this exploration, we'll uncover the myriad ways the pescetarian diet can contribute to your vitality. From the heart-boosting properties of omega-3s to the nutrient diversity derived from a balanced blend of seafood and plant-based foods, we'll dive deep into the science-backed benefits. So, if you're looking to embark on a culinary journey that invigorates your body and mind, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind the pescetarian diet's potential to unlock unparalleled vitality. When it comes to maintaining a healthy heart, omega-3 fatty acids emerge as essential allies. These fats, known for their heart-loving properties, play a pivotal role in promoting cardiovascular wellness. A significant source of these indispensable nutrients can be found in one particular dietary choice: fish. Fish stands out as a bountiful reservoir of omega-3s, contributing to reduced inflammation and a decreased risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their ability to support heart health by various means. Fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are brimming with eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, two prominent types of omega-3s. These fatty acids work harmoniously to maintain healthy blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and keep heart rhythms steady. An exciting aspect of omega-3s is their potential to lower inflammation, a key factor in the development of heart disease. These essential fats have been shown to suppress the production of inflammatory molecules, thus mitigating the strain on the cardiovascular system. Moreover, omega-3s contribute to maintaining the flexibility of blood vessels, enhancing blood flow, and reducing the likelihood of arterial blockages. Numerous scientific studies have underscored the profound impact of omega-3s on heart health. Research has demonstrated that individuals who consume fish regularly are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, omega-3 supplementation has shown promising results in improving various cardiovascular markers, including triglyceride levels and overall heart function. In summary, integrating omega-3 rich fish into your diet can be a strategic move in safeguarding your heart. These fats act as natural defenders against inflammation, promoting healthy blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart disease. As we journey deeper into the benefits of the pescetarian diet, it becomes clear that prioritizing fish as a source of omega-3s is an investment in the long-term vitality of your cardiovascular system. When it comes to nourishing the body with a diverse array of nutrients, the pescetarian diet takes center stage. This dietary approach boasts an impressive spectrum of nutrients, thanks to its unique combination of seafood and plant-based foods. The nutrient diversity found within this diet not only supports overall well-being but also offers specific benefits that contribute to a vibrant lifestyle. Seafood, a cornerstone of the pescetarian diet, provides a rich source of lean protein that is crucial for muscle health and repair. Fish like tuna, cod, and trout are not only low in saturated fats but are also packed with high-quality proteins that aid in maintaining strong muscles, supporting metabolism, and enhancing post-exercise recovery. Furthermore, the pescetarian diet encompasses an assortment of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for various bodily functions. From the brain-boosting powers of vitamin D to the thyroid-supporting benefits of iodine, this diet provides a well-rounded spectrum of nutrients that contribute to holistic well-being. For instance, vitamin D, predominantly found in fatty fish, plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Iodine, abundant in seafood, is essential for thyroid hormone production and metabolism regulation. Selenium, another nutrient abundant in seafood and plant-based components of the pescetarian diet, acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This vital mineral contributes to immune function, thyroid health, and even reproductive health. In summary, the pescetarian diet stands as a true champion in terms of nutrient richness. Its diverse array of lean proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants not only fuels the body but also provides targeted benefits that promote vitality from within. As we unravel the benefits of this diet, it's evident that the harmonious union of seafood and plant-based foods creates a symphony of nourishment that supports your journey to well-being. The connection between diet and brain health is a fascinating realm that the pescetarian diet uniquely explores. This dietary approach holds promise in nurturing cognitive vitality, and a significant contributor to this potential lies in the presence of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, renowned for their multifaceted roles in overall health, play a crucial role in enhancing cognitive function and potentially guarding against cognitive decline and neurological disorders. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fish and seafood, are not only fundamental for heart health but also play a pivotal role in supporting brain function. These essential fats contribute to maintaining the structural integrity of brain cell membranes and promoting optimal communication between nerve cells. Through these mechanisms, omega-3s enhance cognitive processes such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. The pescetarian diet's emphasis on omega-3 rich fish aligns with research suggesting that these fats might offer protection against cognitive decline and neurological disorders. Studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of fish, particularly those rich in omega-3s, is associated with a reduced risk of cognitive impairment and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are believed to contribute to this protective effect, helping to safeguard brain cells from damage and supporting healthy cognitive aging. In summary, the pescetarian diet's spotlight on omega-3 fatty acids holds immense promise for brain health. By nourishing the brain with these essential fats, this diet may contribute to improved cognitive function, potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders. As we delve deeper into the remarkable benefits of the pescetarian diet, it becomes clear that its impact extends beyond the plate, reaching into the realms of cognitive wellness and longevity. As we navigate the realm of optimal health, the pescetarian diet emerges as an ally in the journey towards weight management and satiety. This dietary approach capitalizes on the synergistic power of protein-rich seafood and nutrient-dense plant-based foods, offering a fulfilling and balanced way to support weight loss and maintain a healthy weight. One of the standout benefits of the pescetarian diet lies in its potential to foster satiety through a combination of lean proteins and nutrient-packed ingredients. Seafood, a central component of the diet, is not only a rich source of high-quality protein but also offers essential amino acids that contribute to feeling full and satisfied after meals. Plant-based foods such as vegetables, whole grains, and legumes further enhance the feeling of satiety, providing ample fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Beyond satiety, the pescetarian diet's balance of proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates sets the stage for effective weight management. The inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism, potentially leading to reduced calorie consumption and improved fat oxidation. Moreover, the combination of seafood and plant-based foods ensures a variety of nutrient intake, preventing nutrient deficiencies that can hinder weight loss efforts. In summary, the pescetarian diet offers a holistic approach to weight management and satiety. By prioritizing protein-rich seafood and nutrient-dense plant-based foods, this dietary choice promotes feelings of fullness while providing the essential nutrients needed for a well-rounded diet. As we dive deeper into the benefits of this diet, it's evident that its potential for supporting weight goals extends far beyond the scale, encompassing overall well-being and balanced living. Amid the quest for optimal health, the pescetarian diet emerges as a formidable contender in the battle against chronic diseases. This dietary approach holds the potential to offer protective effects against a range of chronic conditions, including diabetes, certain types of cancer, and metabolic syndrome. At the heart of this defense lies a delicate balance of nutrient-rich foods and a strategic reduction in saturated fat intake. The pescetarian diet's foundation of seafood and plant-based foods contributes to its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For instance, when it comes to diabetes, the diet's emphasis on complex carbohydrates from whole grains and legumes promotes stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance. In terms of cancer prevention, the abundance of antioxidants and phytochemicals from fruits and vegetables may help combat cell damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes, can also be tempered through the pescetarian diet. By minimizing saturated fat intake, primarily through the emphasis on lean proteins and seafood, this diet assists in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and improving cardiovascular markers. The combined effect of nutrient-rich foods and a reduction in saturated fats is believed to contribute to the prevention of metabolic syndrome. In essence, the pescetarian diet shines as a strategic dietary choice for mitigating the risk of chronic diseases. By embracing a variety of nutrient-rich foods and maintaining low saturated fat intake, this diet presents a multi-pronged approach to wellness. As we delve deeper into the advantages of this dietary lifestyle, it becomes clear that its potential reaches beyond individual health, resonating with the broader goal of fostering a life well lived. Beyond its impact on personal health, the pescetarian diet extends its influence to the environment, presenting a sustainable choice that resonates with the health of our planet's oceans. This dietary approach emphasizes sustainable seafood choices, embodying a conscious effort to make a positive impact on ocean ecosystems and global environmental health. The pescetarian diet's commitment to sustainability lies in its emphasis on responsible seafood consumption. By choosing fish species that are sustainably sourced and harvested, individuals contribute to maintaining the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Sustainable seafood practices focus on preventing overfishing, protecting vulnerable species, and promoting fishing methods that have minimal impact on non-target species and the marine environment. Responsible fishing practices are essential components of the pescetarian diet's sustainability mission. Techniques that minimize bycatch and habitat destruction, such as line fishing and pole fishing, are encouraged to preserve marine biodiversity. Additionally, reducing carbon footprints associated with fishing and transportation further supports environmental sustainability. Opting for locally sourced seafood whenever possible helps decrease the overall carbon emissions linked to seafood production and distribution. In summary, the pescetarian diet serves as a bridge between personal well-being and global environmental stewardship. By making sustainable seafood choices and supporting responsible fishing practices, this dietary lifestyle aligns with the goal of preserving ocean ecosystems and minimizing the carbon footprint. As we explore the benefits of this diet, it becomes evident that its positive impact extends far beyond individual health, creating a ripple effect that echoes across the oceans and beyond. As we wrap up this enlightening journey through the remarkable benefits of the pescetarian diet, let's take a moment to recap the treasures we've uncovered. From heart health to brain-boosting, nutrient-rich nourishment to reduced chronic disease risks, and environmental stewardship, this diet offers a holistic approach to vitality that resonates with both personal well-being and the health of our planet. It's clear that the pescetarian diet holds the key to unlocking a vibrant lifestyle. By strategically combining seafood's omega-3 wonders with the nourishing embrace of plant-based foods, individuals can enhance their overall wellness and set themselves on a path to improved health. So, dear viewers, as you reflect on the insights shared today, consider embracing the possibilities that the pescetarian diet offers. Whether you're seeking to enhance heart health, support brain function, or simply embark on a journey towards balanced well-being, the potential lies within your plate. By incorporating more seafood and plant-based foods into your diet, you're taking a step towards nourishing your body and revitalizing your energy. Remember, your journey doesn't end here. If you found value in this exploration, we invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on health, nutrition, and well-being. Stay curious, stay engaged, and continue your pursuit of a vibrant and fulfilled life. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of discovery, and may your journey towards vitality be as enriching as the benefits of the pescetarian diet itself.